So there's several ways of buying it. You can go to the health food shop and you can get some magnesium oil, and it comes in a little 100 ml squirty bottle, and it costs about, I think, £9.99 or 10 quid, something like that. I looked at that and I thought, wow, it's really expensive. Why is it so expensive and what's in it? So when I had a look at it, it turns out that it is the magnesium chloride flakes, the dried out seawater. And this is also probably why, actually, when you go and spend time at the seaside or the ocean and you swim a lot, you probably do really well, because I suspect there's lots of magnesium in there. There's certainly tons of magnesium in the seawater, and you're swimming and you're absorbing it. And I know I used to feel amazing after a holiday where I was swimming in the ocean all the time. And of course, I hadn't put two and two together at that point. So what you can do is you can buy this, and I buy it on eBay or Amazon. I'll put a link below where you can buy some. I buy the flakes. You take the flakes, you get a measurement. Okay, so a couple of things. You don't have to be exact with this at all. So I'm just going to put this to about half full. Yeah, about there. That's actually, sorry, about there. Just filtered water. Now, you could actually leave this and just leave it sat, and it would largely dissolve. But have you got one of these? These things are awesome for mixing. I found it at the market. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. You need to put that, just pour that into there. Now I'm not going to do it here on the worktop, I'll do it over the sink. I'll be back in one sec. I get up in the morning, I have a shower, I dry off, I then get the spray in the hand, and because I'm bald I rub it on my head and my neck, all on my arms, all down my sides, my back, obviously my other arm as well, and on my legs. It's a bit more challenging for me because I'm about as hairy as a gorilla, so I tend to go for the areas where there's less hair, so like the sides of my legs and stuff like that, so it's marginally less hairy. The first thing you'll notice, you might not notice but many people do, is when you first start to use this in the morning, it itches like I don't know what. That does pass, but I felt like I wanted to itch my skin off. It was awful. So go easy, but that does pass. I found it in about sort of 10-15 minutes, and within about 4 or 5 days it doesn't happen at all anymore. So I wonder if it's because you're low on magnesium and it's kind of rushing through your skin. I really don't know. Some people choose then to have another shower afterwards to wash, because all that's left then is the chlorides, the salts. For me, once I'm dry, then I'll get dressed and go about my day. Word of warning, I wouldn't get dressed until it has been absorbed into your skin and dried. For me, it did seem to stain some of the clothes. Certainly some of my black and my grey t-shirts have gone up kind of light grey marks on them, or light brown marks on them, so maybe acted as a bleach, I don't know. I don't quite understand that. But as long as I'm dry, never have a problem with that. And that's pretty much it. So it's up, shower, dry off, magnesium all over, let yourself dry, get dressed, go about your business. I don't know how long it will take for you to start noticing effects, because it's not going to go where you think it needs to go. Your body's going to put it to good use where your body needs it. So your body knows what it needs. So for me, I wasn't really aware of, like one day it just stopped. I just noticed that everything started to feel better and calm down. And before I know it, all of those problems had just evaporated. And I didn't really realize. That's why I had to read many of them on there. They just went away. And it's something that I will not stop doing. If you want a nice treat, by the way, have a bath at night and throw a couple of handfuls in the bath and have a soak. Your skin will feel amazing, you'll sleep amazing. If you like the video, click the like button. Please subscribe, because there's going to be many more videos like this, all sorts of different subjects we're talking about. Leave some comments. I won't get involved in answering